My name is Felipe. I'm a brake engineer working for Toyota Motor Europe. Whenever my parents would give me any toy, instead of playing like normal kid, I would just open it up, try to see how the mechanism works. So from that point of view, maybe I was meant to be engineer. I always liked sciences, like subjects like maths or physics or chemistry or technical drawing. So from that point of view, I thought engineering would give me the chance to enhance and expand in this domain. I didn't have a very specific opinion before I joined the automotive industry, but at least something that surprised me a lot that I didn't consider before is the coordination level within this industry. It still amazes me, the fact that from development side we need to have within a same company different systems and different parts are being developed for an ultimate start of production. Everybody reaches the milestone and reaches the final goal, and not only within an OEM but also for the suppliers, how this cascades down to different suppliers and tier 2 suppliers. It's really amazing to me how we can now finally, how this big machine is working so well, and to finally reach the ultimate goal, which is providing our customers with a good product. My department takes care of the design and the evaluation of the brake systems for the Toyota vehicles which are produced in Europe. From the beginning, I was given the responsibility for some subcomponents, subsystems, eventually to a full brake system. And also within these 6 years, I could go for 1 year assignment to Japan, where I also developed more of the components. I think any kind of international assignment during your job or study abroad is definitely useful. First of all, it just broadens your mind. You get to know different people, different ways of thinking. You get to know or to maybe improve some different international language skills. In my case, I am working in a very international environment. First of all, I'm Spanish, I'm working in Belgium. And for instance, I have colleagues from many different places in the world, from Italy, Canada, or from Greece, Portugal, of course Japan, for sure, being a Japanese company. So it's definitely a good advice to go abroad to enrich, let's say, with new experiences. Of course, at university you learn the basics of the engineering, and currently I am using what I studied, like basics of elasticity of materials or heat transfer or thermodynamics. Of course, you happen to use it during your daily job. But I think that the thing that from the university that you learn most is not the contents of these, let's say, topics themselves, but through the university, it's a constant problem-solving thing. Like the tests you get, the evaluations you might have to take are mainly solving problems, which eventually is what you do during your job. It's a constant problem-solving activity with many engineering challenges. So at university, you learn how to find the tools to solve those problems. Keep the mindset of learning. Spend some time reading technical magazines or technical papers. It's a very dynamic environment. There's always latest technology coming up, so better be up to date on what are the latest technologies, for instance, that you can eventually apply in your own development, or just understand where the market is going, what others are doing. So just keep learning. Do not stop learning.